I think when people learn about Bitcoin, I think they identify like flaws and drawbacks quite
Yeah,
quickly. And
yeah,
pretty much any form of money has flaws and drawbacks, but what they kind of identify is just problems we have with money in general. So, for example, cash is difficult to trace. Um, Bitcoin can be difficult to trace, but you do have the blockchain, so it's more traceable than real actual cash. And uh, people describe it as a bubble sometimes. That's another issue. But then pretty much every financial asset has some degree of being correctly valued and some degree of being a bubble. So a good example would be gold. So gold does have some real hard utility in jewelry and industries and components, but at the same time, gold is also valuable just because people think gold is valuable, and gold in itself is a bubble. Company stocks they trade at um, their market cap is actually higher than their assets they own, and that's because people think they'll have future cash flows that are, greater than what they are today. So we have companies trading at multiples of hundreds, and I find that people pick up on these flaws of Bitcoin, but they don't really realize that these are not deal breakers, or they're just, common problems we have with every type of financial asset.
yeah, yeah. They very quickly overlook the technological innovation and the innovations of financial services, but they're very influenced by the flaws regurgitated by mainstream media